I'll show you how to upload files on Microsoft Teams and also how to create assignments for students. Now open Microsoft Teams app and go to the class for which you want to upload a particular file. Suppose I want to upload a file containing notes of mathematics for grade 10th B. Okay. Now open mathematics channel of grade 10th B. Go to the files option. Okay. Now you can see here the files which I have already uploaded here. Okay. To upload a new file, you have to click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Okay. Then click on upload. Now from here you can select the PDF file which you want to upload here. Suppose I want to upload this one. Okay. Then this file will be uploaded. Okay. See, you can see this file here which I have just uploaded. Okay. Now how will the student access these files? Okay. For this he simply has to open his Microsoft Teams app. Okay. Then go to Teams. Then he can simply open the mathematics channel of grade 10th B. Then move to the files section. All the files uploaded by me in this channel are available here. Now how to create assignments for a particular class. Suppose go to the assignments option. Suppose I want to create an assignment for KCM's grade 10th C. Then I'll select this class and click on next. Here I can see all the assignments which are already being created for this class. Okay. Now to create a new assignment, click on this plus icon. Okay. Then click on new assignment. After clicking on new assignment, you have to input the title for this assignment. Suppose title is surface area and volumes. Okay. This assignment is of chapter surface area and volumes. Now add resources. In the add resources option, you have to upload the PDF file of this assignment. Now choose the option upload from this device. Then again you can select the file containing that assignment. Suppose I am selecting this files containing maths assignment 8. Okay. After that you have to set the due date for this assignment. Suppose I can set the due date as 3 June. Then now to which channel you want to post this assignment. Okay. Go to settings here. Now click on edit. After clicking on edit, you can select mathematics channel because I want to upload this assignment to mathematics channel of KCM's grade 10th C. Now done. After that you can click on assign. This assignment will be created for KCM's grade 10th C. Okay. And as you can see this assignment here. Okay. Now how will the students be able to see this assignment? Now simply they have to open the Microsoft Teams app. Okay. Then click on assignments, then class KCM grade 10th C. Then they have to click on a particular assignment. Suppose clicking on this assignment surface area and volumes. Now how will the student get access to the PDF file uploaded along with this assignment? Now click on these 3 dots in front of surface area and volumes. And on clicking on these 3 dots, there is an option student view. On clicking the option student view, from here the student can access this PDF file. Okay. Now this PDF file can be easily accessed by the student and he can simply solve this assignment. Now how to copy the link of recorded video of a particular lecture. Suppose I want to copy the link of mathematics lecture of KCM's grade 10th C. Then I can go to mathematics channel of KCM's grade 10th C. Then okay, suppose this is the recorded video of the lecture. Then click on the 3 dots in front of this video. You will get an option of copy link. From here you can copy this link and you can simply paste this link anywhere you want. Please note one more thing that suppose if I move to file section of this mathematics channel of KCM's grade 10th B, then this file which I have uploaded few minutes back, I cannot copy the link for this file using mobile phone. Okay, I can copy the link of this file using laptop only, that is on a web browser. I am able to copy the link for this particular file, but it cannot be copied using mobile phones. Okay, but you can easily upload files using mobile phones, and also these files will be visible to the students under this particular section. Okay.